Hello everyone and welcome to the Autopedia channel. In today's video we are diving into the latest crash test results for three highly anticipated mid-size luxury SUVs. The 2025 BMW X5, 2024 Lexus NX and the 2024 Volvo XC90. These vehicles have all earned the prestigious Top Safety Peak Plus award from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, thanks to their solid performance in the updated moderated overlap front test. But let's break down what that means for you and your family. And first up, the 2025 BMW X5. This SUV not only provides excellent protection for their driver but also shines in the rear seat safety. The new moderated overlap test introduced in 2022 includes an additional dummy in the second row. In the X5 test, measurements from the rear dummy showed no elevated injury risk. The rear restraints control the motion of the dummy relatively well, although the dummy's head did come closer than desired to the front back seats. Overall, the X5 earned a good rating in this evaluation. Next, we have the 2024 Volvo XC90. Known for its safety features, the XC90 also performed very well. It received a good rating, but there were some concerns. Rear dummy measurements indicate a slightly elevated risk of injuries to the chest and head or neck. Despite this, the XC90 maintained its reputation for safety, with standard acceptable rated headlights and an acceptable rating for its pedestrian front crash prevention systems. And last but not the least, the 2024 Lexus NX. While it earned an acceptable rating overall, the NX performed well in injury metrics. The rear passenger damage lap belt, however, moved from the ideal position on the pelvis to the abdomen, increasing the risk of abdominal injuries. Despite this, the NX still provides excellent driver protection and comes with a standard front crash prevention system. So all in all, the 2025 BMW X5, Lexus NX and the Volvo XC90 have proven their commitment to safety, each earning the Top Safety Peak Plus award. These SUVs are not just about luxury and performance, but also about ensuring you and your loved ones are protected on the road. And with that being said, thank you very much for watching our video till the end, and if you like it, please hit us with a like and subscribe to our channel for more new upcoming videos.